Personal Development and Well-Being Crash Course, Personal Financial Well-Being. Introduction. Personal financial well-being plays a vital role in our overall happiness and security. It involves effectively managing our finances, making informed decisions, and achieving financial stability. In this crash course, we will explore the importance of personal financial well-being, share inspiring stories and examples, and provide you with practical techniques to enhance your financial health. Let's dive into the world of personal finance and discover the keys to financial well-being. Chapter 1: The Power of Financial Well-Being. Story: Meet Mark, a young professional who used to struggle with his finances. He lived paycheck to paycheck, had little savings, and often felt overwhelmed by debt. Determined to change his circumstances, Mark embarked on a journey of financial well-being. He educated himself about personal finance, created a budget, paid off his debts, and started saving and investing. Over time, Mark achieved financial stability, reduced his stress, and gained the freedom to pursue his passions. Chapter 2: Top 12 Personal Financial Well-Being Techniques. Budgeting. Create a detailed budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. Track your spending and make adjustments to ensure you're living within your means and saving for the future. Debt management. Develop a plan to tackle your debts systematically. Prioritize high-interest debts and consider strategies such as debt consolidation or negotiation to reduce your overall debt burden. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account to provide a safety net during challenging times. Savings and investments. Develop a habit of saving regularly and explore different investment options to grow your wealth over time. Consider diversifying your investments and seek professional advice if needed. Financial goal setting. Set clear financial goals that align with your values and aspirations. Whether it's saving for a house, funding your education, or planning for retirement, articulate your goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. Financial education. Invest in your financial literacy by reading books, attending workshops, or taking online courses on personal finance. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Insurance coverage. Evaluate your insurance needs, including health, life, disability, and property insurance. Adequate coverage provides financial protection in case of unexpected events or emergencies. Retirement planning. Start planning for retirement early, taking advantage of retirement savings accounts such as 401k or individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Contribute regularly and consider seeking advice from a financial planner to maximize your retirement savings. Tax planning. Understand the tax implications of your financial decisions and explore legal ways to minimize your tax liabilities. Stay updated on tax laws and consider consulting a tax professional to ensure compliance and optimize your tax strategy. Frugal living. Adopt a frugal mindset by being mindful of your expenses and making conscious choices. Differentiate between needs and wants, and find joy in simple pleasures. Practice frugality without compromising your quality of life. Regular financial checkups. Review your financial situation regularly to assess your progress and make necessary adjustments. Revisit your budget, evaluate your investments, and reassess your financial goals as circumstances change. Seek professional advice. If you feel overwhelmed or lack expertise in certain financial areas, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial planners, accountants, or investment advisors can provide valuable guidance tailored to your specific needs. Chapter 3: Summary. In this crash course, we explored the significance of personal financial well-being and its impact on our overall happiness and security. We shared the inspiring story of Mark, who transformed his financial situation through knowledge, discipline, and perseverance. We also discussed the top 12 personal financial well-being techniques to guide you on your journey towards financial stability. Budgeting. Create a budget to track your income, expenses, and savings. This helps you prioritize spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Debt management, develop a plan to pay off debt systematically. Consider strategies like the snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first, or the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest debt first. Emergency fund, build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Start by setting aside a small amount each month and gradually increase it until you have enough to cover several months' worth of expenses. Savings and investments, save regularly and explore different investment options to grow your wealth. Consider investing in low-cost index funds, stocks, bonds, or real estate based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Financial goal setting, set short-term and long-term financial goals that are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. This helps you stay motivated and focused on achieving your objectives. Financial education, continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, follow reputable financial blogs, and attend seminars or workshops to expand your knowledge and make informed financial decisions. Insurance coverage, review your insurance policies to ensure you have adequate coverage. Evaluate your health, life, home, and auto insurance needs, and make adjustments as necessary to protect yourself and your assets. Retirement planning, start planning for retirement early by contributing to retirement savings accounts. Take advantage of employer-matched contributions and consider consulting a financial advisor to maximize your retirement savings. Tax planning, stay informed about tax laws and take advantage of tax-saving strategies such as maximizing deductions, contributing to tax-advantaged accounts, and reviewing your tax withholdings regularly. Frugal living, practice mindful spending and embrace a frugal lifestyle. Look for ways to reduce expenses, such as cooking at home, shopping for deals, and avoiding unnecessary purchases. Regular financial checkups, schedule regular checkups to assess your financial progress. Review your budget, track your net worth, and make adjustments to your financial plan as needed. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about certain financial matters or need expert guidance, don't hesitate to consult a financial planner or advisor. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique circumstances and goals. Summary: personal financial well-being is a crucial aspect of our overall well-being and happiness. By implementing the top 12 techniques discussed in this crash course, you can take control of your finances, reduce stress, and work towards financial stability. From budgeting and debt management to savings, investments, and seeking professional advice, each technique contributes to your financial growth and security. Remember, financial well-being is a journey, and it requires discipline, patience, and continuous learning. Embrace these techniques, adapt them to your situation, and stay committed to your financial goals. By doing so, you'll pave the way for a brighter and more secure financial future. Poem. In the realm of finance, we seek to thrive. To secure our futures and dreams revive. With discipline and knowledge, we take the lead. Building financial well-being, planting the seed. Budgeting our expenses, a path to follow. Tracking our income, ensuring a better tomorrow. Debt management, a burden we shed. Eliminating liabilities that weigh like lead. Emergency fund, a safety net we weave. Shielding us from storms, helping us believe. Savings and investments, we nurture our wealth. Growing our assets, ensuring financial health. Financial goals, like stars in the sky. Guiding our steps as the days fly by. Continuous learning, our minds we feed. Empowering ourselves with the knowledge we. Insurance coverage, a shield of protection. Guarding against risks, ensuring no reflection. Retirement planning, a future we secure. Contributing today for a life that's pure. Tax planning, a strategy we employ. Optimizing our earnings, finding more joy. Frugal living, a mindful embrace. Savoring simplicity, finding grace. Regular checkups, a financial review. Assessing our progress, making dreams come true. Seeking advice, when the path seems unclear. Guidance from experts, removing any fear. In this crash course, we've explored the way to personal financial well-being, day by day. With dedication and perseverance, we'll thrive, creating a future where our dreams will revive. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. As a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.